Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am back today with an unboxing video because I have been lucky enough to win the Coinweek.com 225th giveaway. Now, I've been entering this contest every single week for over 5 years, and I have finally won, and I just wanted to show y'all what I've been fortunate enough to get. So now that I have the end part cut off, let's see what's inside. So this is super cool. There's another envelope inside, and it's a message from Scott Privis, which is the founder of Coinweek.com. I don't know about y'all, but I love Coinweek.com's article, and I feel like this man has done us all a great service to the coin collecting community, both now and forever, by creating his awesome blog. So here it is flipped over. Let's see what's inside. Gonna put this down. Cool. Here it is. The prize that I won. What I can do is just one hint. Oh, there's some glue right there. Okay, I'm gonna pause it real quick. So here they are out of the packages. Let me put some light on it so y'all will be able to see it a little bit. Here they are out of the packages. Let me put a little bit of light on it so y'all can see it a little bit better. And yeah. So one thing that I got was a 2018 Silver Eagle Mint State 69 condition NDC early release holder. Absolutely beautiful coin. Here's a really neat one, which is something I've never really seen before, but I think it's really cool. A greased denier. Just evidently the coin of the Crusaders. Look at this beauty. Wow. So, there it is. If anybody has not seen Coinweek.com or read any of their articles, I strongly recommend them. And they have actually hold this contest each and every single week. So feel free to sign up for it, and there's a link to the website in the description below. And please like this video if you liked it, subscribe it helps me out a ton. And check out the other links in the description below. And thank you. I really hope that you all have a great day. Bye.